Hello, Kitschy Venomous here. I'm going to walk you through how to make a Modoverrides.lua for a dedicated server. A Modoverrides.lua is a text file that you have to create and name Modoverrides.lua, not Modoverrides.lua.txt, Modoverrides.lua. Your Modoverrides.lua file should be in both your DST server and DST caves folders. I would highly recommend using the Notepad++ software for editing this file, as it is designed for coding. Now, on to the coding itself. For the first line, just return. Enter, and then a curly bracket. Make sure it's curly, not straight. Curly. Then, enter, then you type straight bracket, then quotations, then the workshop and its number. Let's go with, oh, not that. Going to go into Steam and copy paste a file. I'll be right back. That's the workshop ID. It's a 9-number thing, and curly bracket equals space curly bracket got to put a space there, add a comma, enter. Now we can put a comment here. 2 minus signs makes it green, makes it a comment, does not mess with the code at all. Now let's go for another one. Shop. Well, I'm going to be doing configs for that, so I do not close the curly bracket there. Instead, I'll close it here, go back up here, underscore, now we go into the modinfo.lua for this, which is global player icons, go to the name, show players options, copy, now remember to have 4 spaces there. Notepad++ has a config that allows you to turn tab into 4 spaces, but if you do not have that active, or if you're not using Notepad++ or another coding software that allows for that, then you're going to have to do 4 spaces. Equals, let's see what config we want for that. Let's go for scoreboard 2. Enter. Let's go for next on show player icons. Want that to be true. Fire options. The defaults for this mod are pretty good, but I like to have always for my fire instead of just charcoal, so 3? No, it's 1, not 3. Anyway, that's the modinfo.lua. That's found in the individual mod folders. Sorry for not saying that earlier. Show fire options. Copy. true. Share map in progress. I find that this doesn't work really well for dedicated servers, so I turn it off. Override mode. My server is a survival server, so I'll turn that off. Then, a curly bracket here. I forgot to have a curly bracket here. Always close your brackets. This black bracket isn't closed, so it has to be closed. This is a basic mod override. It just enables the mod, and this is a mod override with configs. Always close your brackets, always have commas, do not forget commas. Always best to look over. Make sure that nothing's wrong with it. Can't remember whether or not there's supposed to be a comma there. I'll just open up my Modoverrides.lua. Okay, so turn. And you can either put this here, or if you want it to look a bit nicer and a bit easier to read, have it right there. It's closed here and there. Okay. As for this, it's closed here. It's opened up here, and it's closed down here. I have quite a few mods installed here. Yep, you do put a comma there. You put a comma here. Nope. Okay. File. Save. And that should work, but I'm not going to run it on my actual dedicated server because I'm lazy.